Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be making a key for this lock. Now this lock plus a bunch of other locks were sent to us graciously by Nosepicker. So thanks for sending all of the locks, mate. I am trying to work my way through them. But there was one little request that if you sent this, could I pick it open and make him a key. So with it, he sent us a key blank, which looks like this, to go into a keyway that looks like that. So the first portion of this video, I'm going to be filing a key. Now the way that we do that is basically you pop the key in like that, which would then give you all of the centers of the pins by putting a mark down in there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right, so you can see, make sure you get them, otherwise when you file it everything will be off. I can pretty much see them now. Yeah, so you put that cord to one side. As you can see on top of there, I've made a mark where each pin is going to be. And then what you want to do is you want to put the key in the vise, like so, and then you want to populate. You want to populate the plug, which is this one. Now this one's got double countermilling, which is perfect to accept and work with these barrel driver pins. Dead sharp edges which get caught on the lips. Now I read the other day on Developer's site, there was a thing about Assa locks. Now if you get one of these Assa locks and it's got a deep countermilling but they've only got one ring, then that's really designed for gin bottles, from what I've read. So it's just a little bit extra information. But basically you populate this plug. So number 1 goes in, as does 2. I'm probably going to edit the hell out of this because no one wants to watch a really long video on how to make a key, but I'll have the raw footage. So all you do is you do that. So to show anyone who doesn't know, well basically if you were to put the a blank in there, obviously everything's going to stick up. So just to get things started, you just put the plug to one side, you bring this in like that. See if you can zoom in a little bit. Now you can see that I've got all my marks on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Get yourself a file. And then on each groove you just want to put a little mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 right on the end. Just so you've got something to work off. And there's a bit of backwards and forwards we're doing at this method. I'm sure you can get pin readers where you know what size cuts they are by measuring the pins and then using a key machine, but I ain't that advanced, I'm not a locksmith. But basically all you do is you keep on putting it in. So you see this number here and that number there doesn't need any more, but number 3, 4, 5 and 6 needs a bit more. So pop that down, go to number 3. Get out button now. Get number 3, just establish that a little bit more. 1. Take it back out. Pop it back in. So number 3 still needs to go more, and so does 4. So 3 and 4 I'm going to work on first. Right, so once you're at this point, now I'm just fine tuning it. Now I know that I need to take a little bit off this one here, number 6, and that one there, number 3. You want to check for any valleys, and if there is a valley like that one, you've at least put the edges on at a rough 45-degree angle so it slips in and out the plug. You've went through, you filed, and now you're at the point where the key slides in nicely, the pins are nice, and you want to hopefully hope that it fits straight into this, nice and neat, which it does. So that there now then is a working key, and what I'll do is I'll put the lock together and then show you it working basically. But that there is a hand filed key, obviously not as good as a key machine, but that's how I'd make a key. Right, so we've got the Assa lock in the vise. This side of the lock is still on the tray, the one I used to make this key. I've took all of the circlip off this side now, it's ready for when I'm picking the lock. It's easy for us to gut. The lock or the key does work. We are still going to try and get this one on camera. So number 1 is springy, number 2 click, 3 click, 4's nothing, but number 6 a click, 3 another one, 2 another one, and again number 2, nothing at the front wants to bind, so we're going to go at the back as far as I can reach. I think I'll go click out of 5, click out of 6, see if we can get 1 to bind, nothing on 1. Another click off 2, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 a click, number 1 is stuck on counter milling, 2 is stuck in counter milling, try and get 1 another click, 3 another click, 4 nothing, 5 another click, at the back on 6 click, back to the front, see what we can find. 1, 2 is binding, two doesn't want to stop. It's the thing with these locks, they're made with such high tolerances. 3 is in counter milling, still, 2's pop up, 2's picked, 1 pop back up. Like this all the way through this lock. It's a really nice lock, this is. Three, 4, 5, 6. It's picked. So we'll check to see which ones is set. Number 1 set. 2 is. 3 stuck on counter milling. Come back to it. Let's check to see if the rest of these are set. 4 set. Too much on 5, that is. 6. One's in. 2 is. 3 is. 4 is. 5 is. Which means number 6 should be our opener. And if it's not, I'm a twat. As that went. Double check these. Feel free to leave twat in the comments. Oh, won't come back up. One's now set again. 2's in. 3 is. 4 is. 5 is. So it's got to be 6. It's got to be hanging on for dear life. Come on, you little bugger. 2. 3. 4. 5. Yeah, 6. It's got to be. Got to be fucking 6. 1. 2. 3. Give 2 a little knock. Nice set. 4. Set for definite. 5 set. It's got to be fucking 6. Can't understand why this isn't opening. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. It's got to be fucking 6. What's going on here? Floss pins, everything here. Oh! 3. 4. 5. It's got to be 6. It's fucking hanging on for dear life, this little bugger is. There you go. What a little rat. Oh dear me, the tolerances of these locks are absolutely brilliant. I love picking these locks. That there definitely sent us on a mission. Spin her around. Back, but if you have liked this video and you have thought that it was useful and you think you might use the technique I've showed, put it in the comments below. Please share, like, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. So I'll see you on the next one.